Are you a laser engraving pro, but struggling to scale your income? You're spending hours on custom pieces, but your profits are stuck. It's time to unlock the power of print on demand. Here's the secret. Those awesome designs you're engraving, they can be making you money 24/7, even while you sleep. Step 1. Convert your designs. A few tweaks in your software, and they're ready for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Choose a print-on-demand platform. Find one that's easy to use, has great quality, and offers the products your customers will love. Step 3. Upload and promote. Get your designs online, market your new products, and watch the orders roll in. No more inventory headaches, no more shipping hassles. Just pure profit from your laser engraving passion. Ready to 4x your income? Visit and start your print-on-demand journey today.